Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our health spreads for the next week in February, and I've got these sticker sheets ready to go with stickers. I got some washi tape, and then these are the sticker books that I pulled those stickers from. Okay, so this week I decided that I was going to do a spread kind of just geared towards eating my fruit fast and being focused in on what I'm trying to do health-wise. I had these stat stickers in the various colors, and I decided to make that kind of my color scheme since my stat stickers are pretty much directing my color schemes these days since I am limited on which stat stickers I have left. But I think it's going to turn out really cute. I liked the green and the teal colors mixed in with the berry and the red. And I think those really went well with the foods that I'll be eating. So all in all, I think it's going to turn out really cute. So I'm setting up the top half for my workout routines, and I'm basically just using colorful boxes so that I can label each workout that I do that day. I realized I didn't pull one for the berry color that we have there. And of course there isn't one in the sticker book that I would have pulled it from. So I'm gonna have to get something close, even though it's not quite the right color. I'll go ahead and lay those guys in. But yeah, so what I was saying is that I'm using those colorful boxes for writing in my workouts. I usually do 1 to 2 different types of workouts each day, and I just want to have a space to write that in, kind of keeping each day in its own color scheme. So I'm going to go ahead and finish laying out the rest of the spread. I'm using stickers mainly from the Planner Basics accessory book, the colorful boxes, and then the Healthy Hero sticker book. I pulled that sticker, the You Can and You Will, from the Healthy Hero sticker book as well. Just trying to give myself a little bit of encouragement because I've been doing this fast for about half a week now, and when this comes out it'll be almost a full week. It hasn't been that hard, it's just I haven't been 100% any one day. Like, I'm supposed to be eating only one type of fruit each day, and I just haven't been able to do it all day long. I can do it for 12 or 16 hours, but then I usually have to have a little something else. And lately it's been like veggie chips or veggie soup. But overall, I think it's actually going okay, and I think it's actually helping because I can kind of feel my body doing a little bit better, I think, and kind of detoxing a bit from all these allergies and asthma. So I'm hoping that by the time that this comes out that I'll be feeling a little bit better overall. But enough about me, let's go back to what I'm doing here. So I decided to lay some washi tape down along the middle as kind of an anchor for the veggies and fruit, not veggies, sorry, they're all fruit that I'm going to be eating throughout the week. And I pulled these little bowls, which I think are supposed to be oatmeal, but I'm going to think of them as applesauce with berries in them because I can. And I just wanted to have that teal color added in here, even though I don't really have a food that's really that color in real life. So the bowl worked really well. I also pulled in some berries from the Happy Hostess sticker book. The rest of the food came from the food sticker book. I just really wanted to kind of keep the colors of the theme going throughout, and then also kind of add some transitional colors in there as well when I saw that I could. I also added a little quote there at the end just because I felt like I needed a little encouragement, but basically that's going to be it. So once I get this all laid in, we will be done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. Bye!